How to see deleted search history on TikTok. So if you want to see deleted search history on TikTok, then first open up your TikTok application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have a stable internet connection, you need to go with your profile, which is on the bottom right. Once you're on your profile, go with the top right, which has our 3 horizontal lines, and go with settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you need to scroll down a bit and then go with activity center. Under activity center, you will have your search history. Tap on it, and here you will have all of your history. So you need to go with select, which is on the top right, and then select the history that you would like to delete and tap on delete all. Tap on delete and your history has been deleted. Now you can go back again, go back and then tap on account, and here you need to tap on download your information or download your data. Now go and select the data that you would like to download and then tap on request data. Select the file format. Once you've requested your data within a few hours or within 24 hours, you can go with download data section, and here you will have your requested data. You can go and download the file and you will have all of the search history of your TikTok. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.